lights are having an important role to project the artworks. Really good to work with them, and we really enjoyed. I think they also enjoyed with us. The Arya Archives itself is having 3 projects. One is amphibian aesthetics and the Shilpi Rajan show, and one more is there in Kara, which is in Fort Kochi, curated by Vyas Komu. 3 of the projects are well acclaimed, and the internationally we got a lot of appreciation on these projects. I think definitely the lights are much more important in all galleries. The Tony Lights got, maybe the first time they got this opportunity to work with the cultural organizations, and obviously the galleries where we used to have a lot of lights. The lights are having an important role. They have their own way to project the artworks.
It was quite challenging a project because usually when we approach a project for lighting design, we get the 2D with electrical layout and furniture layout along with the 3D rendering of each rooms. But here in this case, we didn't have the liberty of getting all this stuff. So it was more of kind of a trial and error method. We go to the site, we see the installations or artworks which are going to come in each room, and we decide which product to be used. And one of our team members, Mr. Tony, was over there for around 2-3 days throughout at the stage of completion. So, but eventually we enjoyed doing this project, and it was unlike any other projects we have done lighting for. And now that the gallery is live and they're getting people from around the world to observe the artworks and installations, they're also getting good comments on the lighting. So we are happy to see all these develop, and we feel that we are fortunate enough to work with the project and a lot of artists over there.
Working with Tony Lights was really easy for us to, the art or any art exhibitions are like, last moment completing the work, and the last final touch will be in the morning itself, which we do. And Tony Lights, and especially I should tell Tony's name, and they work with us as like, they are part of this organization. It was really good to work with them, and we really enjoyed. I think they also enjoyed with us.